am Chief Mrs. Favor Brain Gokba, the wife of the executive chairman of Eleme local government. As you can see, I'm here this morning with our women, the women of Eleme local government area, both indigenous and non-indigenous. The business owners are here. People that have lost their properties on this road in cause of accident based on the situation of the road. We are here to express our bitterness to the federal government that there is no need to neglect this road that has many multinational companies. This road has taken so many lives. This road has made a lot of people to lose their properties. This road has even made so many to have health issues like BP. Some because if you're coming from Eleme and once it's getting dark, you become so scared because of the terrible situation and what has been happening on this bridge. We are begging the federal government. There is no need to play politics with this road. Yes. Federal government should please come right now. Yes. This road needs a prompt response. Yes. The federal government should come and walk our road. As the youth said yesterday, there has been so many protests and we have been waiting for a response. It's as if they are doing politics. I don't know what is over and it's taking a lot of lives. Even the ugly incident that happened yesterday. People are very angry. We are beginning to get out of patience. The youth have said it and we the women we are going to join them. Yes. So inquiry. If the federal government did not come and respond to this road immediately, give ultimatum to RTC to walk our road. Let them make this work fast. They are so slow over it, and it's really getting us devastated. There is need for the federal government to give prompt response. We are begging the federal government. The federal government of Nigeria, please take care of Eleme Road. Give quick response to Eleme Road. Let's have a good road so that we can go out for our businesses to get a way of surviving. Because we cannot be neglected like this. Even when our place is the treasure base of the Nigeria, the heartbeat of Nigerian economic is Eleme. Eleme, people are saying this morning, federal government give us good road. Federal government, we need good road. All we are saying, give us good road. Eleme women are saying, give us good road. Eleme women are saying, give us good road. Kumba sese, Kumba sese, Yoba Oro se. We are not happy. It's for the federal government to give prompt response to this road. Like the youth said yesterday that they are given 14 days for the federal government to ensure this work goes faster than what it is now. If they don't respond, even we as the women, both our children will come and sleep on this road and nobody will use this road again until this road is stand with the youth.
Yes. We stand with them on the 14 days ultimatum. With our beds, our gas cookers, our husbands, our children will be on this road. Because you cannot tell me that a road where they have multinationals generating billions for the federal government, the ROCC has refused to do anything on this road for months. They are very sluggish. Nothing is happening. They come by 11, close by 2 p.m. They are neither here nor there. You can even see now. Nothing is happening here. They've been here for months. The road is dormant. We don't know what is happening. Hoodlums have taken advantage of this, and we need peace in Eleme local government. This place is the major road for those going to Cross River State, those going to Akwa Ibom. You can see that those going to Opobo, those going to Okrika. You cannot tell me that the ROCC is supposed to be prompt and feeling the dualization of this road. We are suffering. The Eleme people are suffering. To come to our community, we spend 3 to 5 hours on this road. Please, the federal government should do something about it. The Minister of Works should do something about it. We stand with the youth. 14 days ultimatum, we will come to this road. We will sleep here before you people finish killing our children and our sons. Please, the Eleme women, we are not happy. We are mourning. The case is too bad. The situation is terrible. We cannot go to our communities anymore. Our children are scared of coming home to our villages. This is too much. A foreigner died yesterday. We saw it firsthand. It's too much. Please, something needs to be done. And it needs to be done as soon as possible. Please, dualize our roads. The Eleme people are peace-loving people. Please, enough is enough. We are suffering. Something should be done. The Onne Wolf is generating billions. Please.
We are here with our women today to say enough is enough. It's like the federal government has been using this road to play politics with our people, to play politics with the lives of our people, to play politics with the life of our children. They never considered all the benefits that they gather from this LGA. All they feel is that because we are little minority in the society and we are marginalized, we don't want it. We start with the women, with the youth yesterday. After 14 days, if nothing is being done, all these women, we are coming out naked. We will come out naked. We will walk on this road naked so that they will know the bitterness. They will know how bad we feel. My message to the state government is for the state government to help us as Eleme women and report to the federal government. This thing must stop. This expressway that has died would actually, have a great effect on the project of the state government. We want the state government to do something to the federal government so that this road will be fixed in less than no time.